Right, welcome back to Challenge Guys. While going tours, we're here in Albufeira. I think this is Praia, Albufeira as well, so just gonna have a little look. I'm gonna walk down, get a couple of cocktails, go down to the waterfront, Albufeira, if you know that bar, or beach bar. There's one here as well, actually. Didn't even notice one there.
More like a little ice cream, isn't it? A little kind of.
You can always get a beer there, though, can't you, normally?
We just walked them up round there, didn't we?
Yeah, so we just came round. We've got another video for that, so we didn't record it. Bit cloudy today. Sun is trying to poke out.
We're going to try and hang out by our pool later, so hopefully later on this evening, about 5, the sun's fully out.
Go and sit with the young ones.
Check out our pool bar.
Yeah, we've got a pool bar. We haven't even been down there yet. It's really busy. Filming.
Nice little one there, you've got a nice little terrace bit at the top.
What's this one called? Fort. It's very cool. But we are going to the waterfront.
Seems quite busy though, doesn't it?
Yeah, really nice. South Fort. So yeah, if you know where we are, if you go at the top, that leads you to where the club is, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I can't remember that club's name now. There's a club up there on the main road. It's quite a steep hill up, isn't it?
Yeah, really steep hill going up that way. So yeah, we come from that way before, but today we're doing like a beach walk. It's got another little restaurant over there. Comment below if you've been to that one, or if you've been to Albufeira. So this is like a very little quick trip for us. A little bit cloudy today, still lovely and warm, but a bit of cloud, which is quite nice actually. It's giving us a little bit of protection, but I can feel those rays still. So what we got here, cocktails, got some nice ice cream. And this one's got some nice cabanas. Little cute, pretty umbrellas. Show you guys. Hear no evil, say no evil, see no evil, eh? So yeah, this is a nice little pretty one. And then you've got stairs again going up to the top, just up there. Yeah, so some nice cabanas, get a nice little option to eat from there as well. It's around lunchtime now, so we're going to keep walking towards the old town and then look for somewhere to have some lunch, chill out, do some footage for you guys, see what's new, what's going on in Old Town, make our way back to where we're staying, so we are the other end, New Town. Like I said, I do want to go to the pool, and then we'll do some nice footage for you this evening, show you what's going on, if there's any new bars, new entertainment, what you guys can expect if you're coming here. So try and give you the kind of like the whole round scope of everything. Let's have a look. There you go, it gives you a little bit of a...
£10, €10, so.
Yeah, and just to show you guys where we are.
€10 for 2 sunbeds.
It's not a bad price, is it, compared to where we were?
It's 20 quid, wasn't it, for 2?
Yeah, it was.
And what was that, Rhodes?
Rhodes, yeah,
And
that was
Turkey, it was
Greece.
all free.
Turkey, they're all free as long as you buy a drink. So it really is sort of like hit and miss depending on where you go. Like I said, the weather is a lot warmer in Greece. So for me, if I'm going away in the summer, I want to feel that summer heat because we just don't get it in the UK. So we don't get to experience that. So I really enjoyed the warmth in the evening and just being able to go out. Like you literally go out in your bikini and you would not be cold. Absolutely fantastic. Here is a little bit more of a breeze, which is lovely. So if you're someone who still wants that summer heat, but it's comfortable, I suppose this sort of side of Europe is a little bit more accessible for you and a little bit nicer. It's a lot quicker to get here as well. So there's pros and cons depending on what you need and what you desire. Loads of seagulls, so if you guys are seeing that, but it's like Seagull Beach here. So yeah, I like these little kind of pit stops. They all have like little upstairs areas, so you've got nice little viewing points, which is nice. Really nice long stretch of beach, and we've walked from Newtown Beach and we're walking to Old Town, so we've just avoided like the hustle and bustle of the street area, and we decided to take the nice scenic route. Like I said, make the most of that sunshine, the good weather, get that on our skin, get rejuvenised, I should say, ready for when we go back to the UK, where it is nice at the moment. I'm not going to lie, it's not been a terrible summer, but you just don't get that warmth. Even on a nice day, it's just a different kettle of fish when you come abroad. If you know, you know. So yeah, this one seems nice. This is the restaurant beach spot, bar and lounge. So got internet, free Wi-Fi, snacks and cocktails. Got a lifeguard there, so got a little bit of safety. So if you're coming with little ones or someone's not a confident swimmer, there is lifeguards available. No dogs, unfortunately, on this beach. Somewhere to wash your feet. Let me just sort out the camera, bear with me. It's gone a bit nuts.
That's what you're holding it.
There we go.
Right.
Oh. Ooh. There we go, we're back. So yeah, definitely a bit more of a breeze here. Stairs going up to, it looks like a hotel that says Alizos Hotel. Again, pronunciation is shocking, but it looks like a nice hotel up there. You've got the beach right here. We're taking a nice little wander round. This is our first full day here, so we literally got in yesterday, full day today, go tomorrow. So it really is a quick little pit stop in Albufeira, just to charge our batteries, get a little bit more sunshine before the summer ends where we are. Ready for the winter season. So we are looking at going a bit more further afield for the winter. We usually do like the Canaries because it's the only place that's sort of close that we can guarantee that sunshine that we crave. But yeah, comment below where you go during the winter in the UK. Obviously, if you're not from the UK, where do you guys go where you're from, where it's colder? Love to know. What's your escape when you need that sun, when you need to recharge your batteries and feel the warmth on your skin? Whereabouts are you escaping to ensure that you get that experience? Or you someone just puts up with the winter and you go to somewhere like Iceland and go to all those sort of those colder destinations because that's what you're about. That's not really for me. It's somewhere I probably would like to go and see just because I think it's somewhere to go and see, but I definitely prefer the warmth. Definitely. So we're just coming to like another little hotel resort. Got little chalets there. I'm guessing you can rent those out, store your stuff. Oh, it's got showers in there, sorry. There you go, show you where we are. Yep, don't fall. I've had a little fall if you've seen our previous videos. So that's going to the main high street. We're going to keep it on the beachfront. So quite a big hotel here. Comment below if you stayed at this one. It's quite a good point actually because you're quite near to the old town and the new town. You're sort of like in the middle. You've got a nice viewpoint of the beach. So yeah, let me know if you stayed here. Not a bad little spot. Quite a busy restaurant for this time of year. We are in peak season. We're gonna keep walking around. We're gonna go to a little restaurant that I've been to a few times, just get a cocktail, maybe some lunch. So yeah, we've reached our destination. Got a little bit of a Little Mermaid vibe here. She's loving life, isn't she? Right, so we've made it to the gorgeous waterfront beach bar. We're going to stop off, have a quick drink, get our bearings, then head off to the old town. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help push the content, and we'll see you guys on the next one.